Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna help you out with how to turn off auto scroll on Twitter or X. For that you need to launch your Twitter or the X mobile application. Now tap on your profile icon in the top left hand corner. Now scroll down a bit and you just have to select the settings and privacy. In the settings and privacy, scroll down a bit and select the third last option of accessibility, display and languages. Here select the fourth option of data usage and now scroll down and select data usage option again. Now in the data usage option you will be able to see the autoplay option, but if you are not able to see the data usage option, then on the data usage page you can see the video section in which you can see the video autoplay. So tap on this option and now you can make it on Wi-Fi only and you can set it on never. So since you want to turn it off, you just have to select it as never. Now you just have to scroll down and here in the images section you just have to make sure that the high quality images upload is set on never if you want to make these settings, and you are done. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like the video and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.